Art at Bainbridge. Threading Memories. Mikyoung Lee. Okay. Why not?
Yeah, it's in on paper. Oh. I showed my family and also South Korean. The channel artist who did something like this for a particular species, particular arum, and these are what it does on its stalk thing inside the flower. And the whole thing was and it was like that. And I said, girls, this is what I'm competing with.
Is there anything up the stairs?
No.
They should utilize that. It looks cool.
Yeah, it is. It's all the original spaces.
It looks so cool.
Yeah, it's all the office spaces for the education department.
You gotta be in shape though. To want to live up there or be up there. Thank you again, by the way. Okay, these look like garbage ties, twist ties. Huh. Okay. Interesting. Makes me wish it were a seat that you could sit in, like one of those hammock chairs. Yeah. Sorry. Where are you? Yeah, like you know those yoga things too that are cool that you could sit in if you put them close versus
Next from the ceiling.
Well, I'm worried. I haven't hung it from this. I'm afraid it'll fall. So I had a tree thing, and then the tree got cut down, and I miss it.
Yeah.
So that is what came to my mind too.
For sure.
Interesting. Twist ties or pipe cleaners?
That's amazing. That is just such a treat. Isn't it?
Yeah, that does make it. Makes it like double awesome. Ooh, and the geometric shape. Hey, you don't notice that too over here. Okay. Looks like a flower.
Oh, the shadows in the bottom?
Yes.
Right, it's like a flower.
You don't realize it, like, because you're noticing the pattern, then you're like, oh, the texture, then.
And it moves ever so
Okay, and now. All right.
I think I need to like.
That's it then.
I've been keeping track, but I don't know.
Interesting. So, that was the Threading Memories exhibit till the 7th. It will be there, and it is free. Over and out.